Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Writer on your Mac. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and it supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. Writer is a powerful cross-platform IDE from JetBrains, built specifically for .NET development. It's perfect for C#, ASP.NET, Unity, and more, offering fast performance, smart code analysis, and a smooth development experience. Let's jump right in. Start by opening any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the address bar, search for Download Writer. From the results, click the official JetBrains website. I've also included the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the Writer download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Writer icon into the Applications folder. This installs Writer on your Mac. When it's finished, you can close the window and delete the installer to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Writer. If macOS shows a security prompt saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. When Writer starts for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate the app. If you already have a license, choose Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using Writer for free. And that's it! Writer is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.